can't see me over here. Can you see me over here? No, you can't. Hello YouTube, this is Brian Tubbs coming at you with another video. This is just going to be a quick video. I promised earlier when I was working on the base on the piece we call flags that I would show you a piece called the Guardian that we're making for one of the Tesla facilities. It's kind of based off of just kind of a ninja or samurai drawing that we made. And let me see if I can get the shot in. But this is the piece here. It's stainless steel. Stainless steel here. Stainless steel inserts here. Stainless steel here. And you have the shield is core 10. And there's an I-beam here. And then the base is mild steel and diamond plate. And then the piece on top, this is a Tesla brake rotor. And then on top of that, we have a head piece here. We made that out of a leaf spring from a trailer, a leaf spring from a trailer. And then we just made just decorative pieces, stainless steel, and those are helping to hold the head pieces together, because brake rotors are made of cast iron, and it's not easy to weld cast iron to itself or to dissimilar metals like steel or stainless steel or anything else. It's very difficult to do. So I welded it, and then I put these decorative plates on it, but on the back side of these plates there are rods that extend into the brake rotors, both top and bottom, so it locks the brake rotor to the rest of the piece. So I'm not just depending on a weld to hold the brake rotor to the piece. So this is called the Guardian, and we're going to be delivering it sometime soon here. They're still working on the building and all the property, and they're going to pour the base for it. It's going to sit 2 feet off the ground. They're going to pour the base 2 feet off the ground. So this will be sitting on top of that base. It'll be about 8 feet tall. So that's the Guardian. And then the next piece, this is a new piece. It comes off of the base, which is a new style base we came up with. It just comes up, this goes around and twists, goes behind it and twists around it and locks in up front here. We haven't come up with a name for it yet. It could be called the Twist. I don't know, but it's all core 10. Stands about almost 7 feet tall. And then on this side, we have another one. I guess we'll probably call this the loop. Well, this one comes off of the base, goes up, loops, and comes here. So again, we haven't named them. We're going to finish them. So when they get finished, they'll look more like this piece as far as the rust patina. And so this is not how we normally do it. We normally do it like this type of copper patina. But this is a patina called Japanese brown. It comes out of the bottle clear, but then when it sits on the piece, over time it brings the patina or the rust out of the metal. And then after about 3 days, once it reaches its point of neutralization, and then you would take the clear coat, Everclear is going to be outside, and you spray it with the Everclear, and that'll lock the Japanese brown or the rust patina in, and it will, you know, be able to stand outdoors and rain and hail and snow and all that kind of stuff. And so we did it a little bit different with this piece. And so that's pretty much what I want to show you guys. Just give you a kind of a heads up on what we are doing and some of the new stuff we're doing. Like I said earlier, when you're creative, you want to just keep going, keep just getting better and better and better, and just keep building. And that's what we're doing here. We just keep growing and keeping going. And that's pretty much what we do. All right, YouTube, I will talk to you on the next video. And as usual, it's Bryant Tubbs. Peace out.